Hi, I'm Jillian, and this is your Money Minute. Credit cards are great to have in your financial toolkit. If you're using your cards wisely, there are 3 big benefits to having them. Number 1, using your credit cards regularly over time can help build your credit score. Your credit score can range from 300 to 850. The higher the score, the better it is for you. There are 5 factors that influence your credit score. Your payment history makes up 35%, and the ratio of your total balance to your credit limit makes up another 30%. The length of your credit history accounts for 15%, newly opened accounts are 10%, and the final 10% comes down to the mix of different credit types you use. Number 2, credit cards provide a bit more financial leeway and may better protect you from fraud. If someone compromises your checking account and drains your funds, it can take a while to get your money back. If your credit card is compromised, the issuer provides some assistance, which may make it easier to get things fixed. Number 3, credit card rewards offer free money or airfare and hotel stays. For example, if you choose a 2% cashback card, and if you're paying off your balance every month, everything you buy is 2% off. A debit card and cash can't offer this. Only credit pays you back for using it strategically. Now, when it comes to how many credit cards you should carry, think about how comfortable you are with complexity. Credit cards can be an essential part of money management, and maintaining a few credit cards can provide numerous benefits as long as you're using them wisely.